Have you ever wondered why a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow? Let us explore the time value of money. In finance, we call this concept the time value of money, or TVM for short. Money has potential earning power. If you hold cash today, you can invest it and let interest work in your favor. Several factors drive this. Inflation erodes what your money can buy, while waiting means missing out on potential investment growth. We use present value to see what future money is worth today, and future value to project how much our savings will grow. This chart shows how compounding turns $1,000 into much more over 2 decades, assuming a steady 5% annual return. This classic proverb perfectly captures the essence of TVM. Receiving something now is often safer and more valuable than waiting. Understanding these mechanics helps you make better long-term financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about your money.